Unlocking the Secrets of Cooking Techniques, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic: cooking techniques. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply curious about English phrases, this video will enhance your understanding and vocabulary. Let's get cooking with language. Cooking technique refers to the specific methods or procedures used in preparing food. It's not just about following a recipe, but knowing how to do it. We'll explore common cooking techniques, examples, and their relevance in both cooking and language learning. In this section, we'll delve into various cooking techniques. For instance, baking, using dry heat in an oven. Think of baking bread or cakes. Boiling, cooking food in hot water, like boiling pasta. Frying, cooking by immersing food in hot oil. French fries are a classic example. Grilling, cooking food over direct heat, often on a grill. It gives a unique flavor to meats and vegetables. Steaming, cooking food with steam, often using a steamer. It's a healthy way to prepare vegetables. Each of these techniques has unique characteristics and results in different textures and flavors in food. Understanding cooking techniques enriches your English vocabulary. It's not just about the action, but also the sensory experience. Words like simmering, sautéing, or roasting evoke specific images and sensations. These terms are useful in everyday conversation, especially when discussing food and recipes. Cooking techniques can vary greatly across cultures. For example, stir-frying is common in Asian cuisine, while roasting is often associated with Western cooking. This section highlights how learning about cooking methods can offer insights into different cultures and their culinary traditions. We hope this tasty journey through the world of cooking techniques has added some flavor to your English learning experience. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It requires practice, patience, and a dash of creativity. Happy learning and bon appétit!